Hey all my Femboy fanatics, Hazy here. I just wanted to remind you that your meaning in life is to like the video and your purpose is to subscribe. If you want to support the channel, then feel free to check out my wishlist or Patreon where I do things that, well, they're not safe for YouTube. Love you all. Hey you, what are you still doing up? You should come back to bed. Oh, you aren't sleepy? We'll see about that. Come, sit here with me. Let's watch the rain together for a bit. I love it when it rains during a full moon. It makes everything look so surreal. Almost like we're in a fairy tale. Shh. Don't talk. Just listen. Listen to the rain. It's so soothing. So relaxing. And it's such a complex sound, too. It's easier to hear it if you just close your eyes. Close your eyes, darling. Come on, do it for me. Thank you. Now, rest your head on my chest. That's it. Very good. Just relax and let me play with your hair for a bit. Isn't this nice? Shh. Just nod your head. Now, listen to the rain. Really focus on the sound. As I was saying, it is such a complex sound. You can hear the general hiss of thousands of tiny little droplets hitting the ground every second. That sound is obvious. But there's also the soft drumming of the rain on the roof. The subtle tap, tap, tap on the leaves. Listen carefully. I'm sure you can hear it all if you focus. It really is such a wonderful sound. So relaxing. So soothing. I love listening to the rain and just letting my thoughts drift away. It's so nice. I could listen to it all day, just not doing anything. Just relax and listen to the rain. If you listen very carefully, you can just make out the gentle pattering of the rain against the windows. Listen. It always fascinated me as a kid, you know? The way a raindrop slides down a window. It still does. I love following a single droplet as it makes its way down, sliding down the window. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow, sometimes going a little to the left, sometimes going a little to the right, but always, always down. Down, down, down. Imagine it. See it in your mind. A huge window full of little droplets of rain. Pick one of them close to the top of the window. Focus on it. It's not moving now, but it's just a matter of time. Almost. Almost. There it goes. Follow it. Follow it with your eyes as it slides down. That's it. Follow it down. Down, down, down. You're doing very well, darling. Now look for another drop. See it in your mind. Focus on it. wait for it to start moving and follow it down. The raindrop is sliding down, and you're sliding down right along with it. Down, 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 until finally it melts away into a big puddle. Just like you are melting away into a big puddle of relaxation. You're so relaxed, so heavy, so drowsy, and it feels so good, so very good to lie here, your head resting on my chest, feeling so safe, so comfortable, and you can just barely feel my fingers slowly gliding through your hair, tracing little circles with my fingertips, gently massaging your scalp. It feels wonderful. You feel wonderful. There's nothing to do, nothing to think about. You can just lie here listening to the rain, listening to my voice, following my voice, letting it guide you deeper and deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper down. You're doing so well, feeling so relaxed, so drowsy, so heavy. Just let go. Let everything go. Just let yourself collapse into my arms. Oh, there we go. I got you. Shh. I got you. Lie back now, darling. Really let yourself sink down into the cushions. The cushions are so soft, and your body is so heavy, so limp, so loose. Feel yourself starting to sink down through the cushions now. They're like clouds, soft and fluffy and insubstantial. You're sinking through them, and it feels so good. Just sinking down, deeper and deeper down, weightlessly floating down, without a care in the world, just relaxing, letting your thoughts drift, listening to the sound of the rain. Enjoy this, darling. Enjoy the sound of my voice, my presence, and keep sinking deeper down. Relax. Let everything go. Let your thoughts drift away. There's nothing to think about. Just listen. Listen to my voice. Listen to the sound of my breathing. Let the sound of my breathing take you deeper. Deeper deeper. Deeper. Just enjoy being here with me. Deeper. Letting me guide you. Deeper. Letting me take you deeper. Deeper.